Welcome on board CAMARA C, a custom-made classic motor yacht available for luxury charters in Phuket. Built in 1961, CAMARA C is a quintessential gentleman's yacht. Previously named Maureen Moore, commercially MCA registered, she has been operating charters in the Mediterranean for over 30 years and has welcomed on board A-list celebrities. Following an extensive 4-year refit, which concluded in 2020, she now lies in Phuket, the Riviera of the East. CAMARA C exudes a timeless charm through tasteful decor and discreet adoption of modern amenities. Staying on board is to experience yachting from a bygone era. It makes her ideal for entertaining friends and family on your charter vacation. Let's explore CAMARA C to see what makes her so special. Starting at the flybridge, CAMARA C boasts an immense lounge space with comfortable cushions and deck chairs. The large dining table here can accommodate 12 guests. Large awnings can be installed to protect both areas from the tropical sun. There's plenty of space for enjoying an alfresco lunch or dinner on deck, or simply lounging in the sunshine and working on your tan. Moving forward to the bridge, it is outfitted with comprehensive electronic and navigation systems which are discreetly incorporated into the yacht's existing classic design. Communications include an Iridium satellite phone with worldwide internet coverage. This is accessible in each cabin via Wi-Fi. Moving inside to the aft cockpit, we arrive to an elevated and protected lounge space in the canoe stern. The 2 coffee tables can be connected into one large semicircular table and is able to seat 12 guests in comfort. CAMARA C has undergone many transformations in her life and is lovingly maintained by her current owners. Their personality is very much evident in CAMARA C's decor, and stepping on board is akin to being welcomed into their home. Moving inside CAMARA C's fully air-conditioned interiors, we arrive at the salon. Minimalist decor keeps the area uncluttered while brass-trimmed windows provide ample light. An indoor dining table is also located here. This is a truly lived-in space. Cozy, comfortable, and inviting. Audio-visual equipment includes a 42-inch television which can be tucked away discreetly. It is connected to satellite TV, a DVD player with a library of 1,000 films, and has access to Netflix. CAMARA C is spacious and can accommodate up to 12 guests overnight in 6 cabins. All cabins have a television, iPod dockage, reading lights, power sockets, and large closets. Each cabin also has its own private adjoining ensuite bathroom with well-appointed hospitality amenities, including soaps, towels, and bathrobes. Starting in the aft of the vessel, we find 2 double cabins and a twin cabin. The twin cabin actually has 2 queen-size beds, providing ample sleeping space. On the walls, a collection of timeless paintings and sketches of CAMARA C, treasured gifts from visiting guests over the years. Accessed via midship are a twin and double cabin. Finally, the master cabin is found on the main deck near the bow. This large and spacious cabin features a double bed and a separate working desk. It is a very private space, yet maintains 180-degree views of the ocean. Moving to the front, the bow on board CAMARA C is a technical space for anchors, winches, and houses the yacht's water toys. CAMARA C is equipped with wakeboards, water skis, stand-up paddleboards, kayaks, kite surfing sets, snorkeling sets, and small inflatable toys. There's quite the selection to pick from, and it's all accessible from a large swim platform installed by the accommodation side ladder. Supporting the water activities is the custom-made 5.5-meter tender. With 225 horsepower and a top speed of 35 knots, the tender can seat 8 passengers for day explorations and allows you to reach the most remote bays and caves of Phuket's cruising grounds. CAMARA C cruises at a stable 10 knots. She has a deep V displacement hull and is a pleasure to cruise in. Looking after clients on board is Captain Eric Modal. He has 21 years of experience, including 7 years in Asia on charter yachts. His knowledge of Thailand and Myanmar and the surrounding waters is extensive. He is supported by a crew of 5, including a chef and 2 hostesses who are readily available on board to look after clients' needs. With timeless styling, beautiful furnishings, and sumptuous seating, CAMARA C is a rare and special vessel indeed. Her elegant and comfortable atmosphere belies a yacht packed with water toys and the essential modern amenities. She is perfect for those who want to enjoy a stable cruising experience while luxuriating between tropical islands and soaking in the view. We hope you've enjoyed this preview of CAMARA C. We look forward to welcoming you on board and exploring Phuket's stunning waters together.